In this tutorial number 8, I will show you how to visualize Ally with the Vesta software. We will consider example of Platinum and AU. So let's open the Vesta software, go to the file, click on open. Here I have downloaded CI file for AU and PT. If you are new to my channel, then do check out my previous video in which I have shown how to download CI file from COD website and also how to download the Vesta software. So let's select the CI file of Platinum, open it. Then we can see a unit cell of Platinum. Now go and click on the edit data and phase. So this is the phase of Platinum. Go to the unit cell. Over here you need to click on the remove symmetry. Then go to the structure parameter. Now in this case, because this is a face centered cubic unit cell, so we got 8 corner atom and the 6 edge atom. So total 4 atoms per unit cell. Select the second atom and then go and click on the symbol. A periodic table will pop up. Select the AU atom and then this PT will be replaced with the AU. Change the label to AU. Similarly, now here you can change the label for the PT, which shows PT1 right now. So replace it with the PT, this one and the last one. Okay, and then click apply. So it will help to replace the PT atom with the AU at the side edges of the unit cell. Now come back to the unit cell and over here you will see option for the transform. So click over here. Now we will do the transformation of matrix. So change this number to 2, 2, 2. So this will be the 2 times of the unit cell and then click on OK. Warning message will pop up. Click S and keep the first option as a default and click OK and then apply. Now we can see a supercell with AU and PT atom, in which AU atoms are located at the edges. Click on the space filling option. So this will help you to fill up the space. And one more thing we can do, click on the objective and over here you can label the name. So these are the PT and these are the AU. So if you click this one, standard orientation of crystal shape, then it will look like this one. Simply go and click on the file and then you can export raster image. So here you have few options like a PNG, which will help you to create an image with a transparent background. I hope through this video you learn how to create and visualize Ally of Platinum and AU. The similar method can be applied to other material as well. If this video has helped you, then do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon button to be updated with my new videos.